Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will learn how to block YouTube video ad and say no more YouTube ads in your Google Chrome or any other web browser. You just follow simple step and remove all ad on your YouTube video. So let's start as a demonstration. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So open my Google Chrome and here's three dots are come. So you click here and press the setting option. After enter your settings, so here email address and rest of informations are available. Here one options are available, extension. You click here and after enter the extension you click here three lines and here open Chrome web store. So I click open Chrome web store and just type here several extensions are available related on Google Chrome. So I'm type here ad blocker and enter. So here several YouTube ad blockers extensions are available. So more extension. So that one is the most important ad blocker extension. I click here and add my Chrome ad extension. Wait couple of seconds. So this extension are added on my Google Chrome. So after I am watching YouTube videos, advertise are not coming. Ad blocker plus free YouTube extension. You can add this extension also, ad blocker for YouTube. Add extension. It's very simple and just simply after finish this one you can watch YouTube video, no more ads like this video directly play on my YouTube channel. Like this second video, no ad come here. Third video, no ad come here. It's very simple. You can follow these steps and process and avoid all YouTube videos ads. It's very simple. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks and press the bell icon. You don't miss upcoming videos. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.